Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share this very simple and cheap DIY project with you. Hope you guys will love this. Please watch a full video, give it a thumbs up and comment below. Let me know your reaction about this DIY project. Keep on watching. I cut template of a bird shape. You can use any other variety you want. You can get lots of variety in internet. Now I'm painting this cardboard piece with acrylic color. I'm using orange color for the body part. Now I'm moving to the bird's wings. I'm coloring it with the dark blue color. I added a little bit water to spread that color properly. After that, I took a piece of cardboard and cut it into a branch shape and colored it. After that, I'm adding some white dot on the wings. It will turn it more vibrant. Now I'm adding eyes and bill. I made all these in the same way. I'm adding the wings of the bird with the help of hot glue. Now I'm attaching all this here on the branch, like this bird are sitting here. I'm adding some leaves to make it more realistic.